Look at my pomegranate is flowering. Look at that flower. Yes. Look at this one here. Okay, pomegranate. Looking beautiful. Got 2 pomegranates on the side of that flower growing. Okay. Look at you. Look at you. Okay, pomegranate. Come on, grow us some pomegranates this spring and summer to enjoy. I think this is the male flower for the pomegranate. It's more pointed, and this one up here has a little roundness on the end of it, and I think that's a female. So I end up taking, even though the flower is not open here on this one, I went ahead and took the pollen from around this one, that's the male, and shook it over this one here that looked like a female. Let's see if I helped it to pollinate each other. Okay. Come on, pomegranate. It's growing tall. Beautiful green leaves on the pomegranate tree.